Now here we are going to look how we can rig a normal kind of suspension, or this is kind of a spring setup. So when it goes down, these all geometries should be like acting like a spring over here. So this is pretty basic. We are going for now basic levels. Everyone is like who don't know anything about the rigging at any level, they are most welcome over here. They can just watch this, just copy my steps one by one, step by step, and you will have it. You will learn it how to do. So let's get started first. First thing first, we need to check if this is clean or not. We can see we have some translation. We can see there are lots going on, I guess. I have checked. Lastly, we have some kind of okay, great. We have some kind of input going on. We have some histories, maybe. Okay, so it's better like we can clean, select everything, or you can group select in the outliner, go modify, freeze transformations, then go to edit, and delete all by type and history. So it will take care of the whole scene. So it will be freeze transformed, and you have now a clean file. So let's start, and here we are going to use the joint system and ICA system for this thing. Either you can go to the rigging, we can start with the joint over here, or you just like drop down, go to the riggings, select rigging here, and you can start with the create joint over here. This works the both, this joint, this joint. Okay, first thing first, we need some kind of curve controller. Go check for this controller. This is a pre-made controller, or you can make it by yourself. What we are going to do, make it linear, so it will look like this. Section reduces section to make it something like this. So okay, now we have this. We can just snap it rotated. We can scale this, unisolate the scene, go over here, and you can have here. So we have one controller. We can name it as base CTL1. Okay. So we have a history over here, edit, delete by type, history, or you can use Alt Shift D for shortcut. So, or if we need one more controller, Control D, press it over here, go on the top, name it as top controller 1. So now we have two controllers. So as you can see, we have some values over translations. So we can work with that, or we can just neutral the value. We don't need any kind of values over here in the translations, any kind of rotation. So what we will do, we will just make deselect everything, just Control G. So you will have a empty group which is named as a null group. So we will name it as top group, Control G or P, because it's a group. So now we need to snap this group over here to have some values, just exactly like Y. We have two things. Either we can constrain it from controller to group, or we can just drag drop the group in the controller. Now select the group. It already have a negative. Make it 0. Enter, and the group will be snapped here. Now Shift P. Again, the group is out, but now group has the value. Controller also has the value. Now controller put the controller inside the group. So this is a magic trick. It works like I use it all the time. So now the controller doesn't have any value. It's 0 out over here, but its controller has value. So we have an offset, but translation has nothing. So this is a clean for animator friendly. This is good. So our controllers are now ready. Now we need to quickly go through, let's create our joint. Rigging, select the second option or go for skeleton, create joints. So for that, we need to go in the side panel. So we have a good view over here. So we will start creating joint from the base. Okay, we can snap it, I guess. Okay, leave it. We will snap it later too. It's fun. Come over here. Just make a guess. Click it over here. So now we are doing it continually. So it's all automatically it's making the child the second joint, and then we need a third joint over here at the center over here. Click it. So press enter. Now it's complete. So we have a joint in the center because joint also has no values for the x-axis, and this is also in between the x, or you can just move it wherever you want. So this is a joint is little big. We can make the radius little small is fine. And this section we can click it, toggle it, and you can see the X-ray mode of the joint through the geometry. So this is like center part. We can name the joint center, or you can just see. Then again for left, because this is a left underscore JNT 1. So just center left joint 1, Control V. This is joint 2, Control V. This is 3. Make sure naming should be good all the time. It has to be convenient for other purposes. So one joint is ready now. You can just duplicate here and put it in the other, like left side. I am going to duplicate this joint and put it here, but let's do one more thing. Yes, you can just mirror it over here. Skeleton, mirror, reset everything. Now we need to mirror this to come like this side. So what axis we are going to need? We are probably going to need the YZ axis, and then search central left. Then we can search underscore left, and then we can put it right. We can put it right. Apply. Oh, sorry, this is not joint selected. So yes, make sure the joint has to be selected and there has to be no rotation value in it. Just apply it. We got it. We got it, but we got it at the same position. We don't need like this. Then go try with the other axis, XY axis. Select this and now put it here. So now we have our correct joint placement. So now we have these center joints. It's great. We can Control G, make it CENTRJOINTS. Sorry, joints group, center joint groups. Now this is our left side, so we can make it front side maybe as a for naming convention. Just Control D the group, shift it over here. The whole set, make sure the whole set you should try, because whatever we are going to do at the center, we are going to do, we have to do 3 times. Eyeball it, make it center, or you can find the center pivot over here, and also Control D, come over here. So now you see the name class will happen, because even this is a C central, this is also central, this is the same name. If you copy this, paste over here, Control V, enter it, and you see like all 3 joints are selected, so we don't need it. So now what we are going to do, select this one, we don't need C, we will use it as a front. So first name, what we will do, we will just rename the group front, and this is one is unnecessary right now. Just select, go here, modify, modify, then you come here, search and replace name. So what we are finding, C underscore is hierarchy, so you can have the just top group selected, or you want just for the selected, just choose this option, select the joints. Then instead of C, we need it as a front. So make it F and C underscore, then F underscore, just apply. So now you see everything is instead of C underscore, it become F underscore. Same thing we will do F and we will use it as a B. B means, I guess, back. So just for name has to be different. Do not use same name over and over. That's not good. So use it, apply it, everything is now renamed correctly and everything is now unique. So here now the setup starts. So what we are going to use over here is IK handle tool. Go to the box, make sure reset it, then whatever is this, leave it like that. Just close this and now you can do two things, either go in the viewport, but I'm comfortable here in the outliner. Click the first joint and click the third joint. Now there's the IK. So you are imagining what the IK will do. Just select the top IK and as you bend, you can see the joint is also now bending. So this is the kind of movement we are going to need. So now this is done. Again, start with this again, or you can go here, skeleton, again click on the create IK handle. It will do the same thing. Go here, I repeat the same thing. Now we have two. So what we are going to do with the two, now you can see we are having two. Same thing, we are going to repeat. Okay, this joint is done. Close it off. Over here, then again go to this tool. My last used tool is always highlighted here, so I will select this from here itself. Go here, first select this, repeat this process. Okay, I will repeat this process for this again. Second is also done. Now go for the back tool, control select the first and then control select the last, and it's also done. And then again I'm going to repeat the same thing for the last back. So now we are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 IK handle tool. We have multiple ways to handle it, but here what we are going to do, we are just select every IK handle tool, control the top and make it the children of this joint, the top, sorry, the controller, top controller, so that all the IK handles should be a child of this. So when we move this controller, automatically the child should follow. So now the joints are ready, our setup is ready. So one thing I will do for sure, like select all the IK handle, press Control H, so we can hide it. So 0H, and all the IK handles are hidden because it will create the selection issue. So now why we are still having the joint? So now joints needs to be driven. So we just click one. Uh, we are going to create one more joint. Or okay, so in Mel you can also create the by typing command, the command of creating joint. You come here, come in the Mel side, press click it and type GOINT and enter it. It will create a joint here at the grid, or if you want specifically some place, I want on the top place, on the center place, wherever this pivot is. Again come here, press up arrow, it will show your last command. Remember that my control I am already selected, and here I come up arrow, joint is written there, enter, and the joint is automatically snapped here. The new joint is already there. So this is joint one, is the old one, delete it, I don't need that. So this joint, why we are going to need, so we are going to need this for skinning on the top, this geometries. So let's just count as the central geometries 2, select this. Sorry, this is hard to select, and select this. So when all the geometries are selected, at the end select a joint, or you can do the reverse process, select the first joint and select all the geometries. It will do the same thing. Go to the skinning, bind skinning, Go to the box, selected joint, make sure it's selected joints, and just whatever it is, leave it default, apply and close. Now you can see, select the controller. Now all of the top geometries are moving with it because these are all geometries are skinned. Now we are going to do the same thing. We will skin this to this skin. Now we can also use a constraint, but skin is way better. Apply, and this geometry, this, or you can just turn off this. Oh, sorry, the joint, this one, apply, this one, apply, this one. So I'm going to repeat the process. Now it should be doing the first chunk should be ready, and you can see the first one is already acting like a spring. Now we are doing the repeating the same process. Okay, same process at the center too. And then we need this. Okay, center is also completed. And last but not the least is the back part. And this, and this, and apply and close. I think we are now done. So is the time. We have all three sets of spring now happening over here. So now we can, for the sanity purpose, we can check like we need to hide all the joints, press Ctrl H. This joint also needs to be hidden, Ctrl H, and select this thing. Come over here, go to Control, Display, Ghost Information, I guess. No, Drawing Overrides, Enable Overrides, change any color. Just make it, I guess, red. So this one is red now. Okay, remove this one. So now our setup is ready. Uh, this controller is now acting like a spring. So we have a controller, we have a spring setup. This we can use it for mechanical setups in so many things like the jack, car jack. We need something like this. Many things like the grill, the gate grill, we use it. Many things as you can imagine. So that's it. This is all from this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. I'll meet you in the next video. Don't forget to comment any questions. Thank you.